morning. That's what Maddie says every morning. She comes down the steps and says,
what do you want me to say? F you. Just kidding. Anyway.
This is a what I ate today video.
Yeah, it's morning. I'm gonna exercise it a little bit, but first I'm gonna have my nut butter filled Cliff Bar.
This is my second cup of coffee for today. That's what I have for breakfast every morning. 2 cups of coffee.
Sounds good.
Because I'm intermittent fasting.
Yeah.
You're not?
Yeah, if anybody's new to the channel, she's intermittent fasting.
She's Maddie. I'm Janet, just in case you didn't know our names.
Alright, well, I need to get to it because I want to get on that bike.
Alright, get on it.
Breakfast. Bagel time. No, that's not a bagel. What? Guys, I'm actually eating something different right now, but it's not because I want to. We're out of bagels, so I'm having a ciabatta roll, toasted. I'll get to you in a minute. And I have the roasted red pepper hummus. Who makes this bacon again? I never know.
Light Life.
Okay, that's what I thought. Light Life bacon. It's still gonna be delicious. It's probably better for you than eating a bagel, but I just love a bagel, and I think I earned it. But anyway, what's going on down here?
I'm putting together the new Butcher Block Island.
Ooh.
It's a little bit of work.
It is, but you're doing a good job.
We're going to be eating off of this for the next, I don't know, 30 years.
Wow. Sorry, table.
Yeah. Bye, table. You were okay.
Here. Did that like catch on fire or what?
No.
Okay. Well, we're about to have lunch. You're having your first meal of the day.
First meal of the day.
Do 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 do.
First meal of the day.
Do 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 do.
Yeah, remember that?
I do.
That was the very first vlogs or chats.
That wasn't our video though.
I know, but we said that on our.
Well, it was first drink of the day, but yeah, that was hilarious. Anyway, high school memories. Yep. So well, first let's say what I'm having because it's pretty basic. I'm having taco leftovers. I was just telling Mom, I'm pretty sure the last 2 at least, what I ate today's, had tacos in them.
That's so sad.
That's really sad.
I'm sorry for that.
But yeah, I got the spinach wrap, the white rice, the mixture that you made last night with the Gardein.
Right.
Yeah. Meatless grounds, the black beans,
the ground beef replacement.
Yeah, corn, grape tomatoes, and Mom's special cheese sauce. And then underneath, I'm gonna wrap this up and stick a fork in it. I have some garlic shredded string beans, which are amazing.
I'm just gonna have a taste of this. Just a little tasting menu here.
Yeah. So I don't know if we showed you guys. We have this all set up now. Look at that. Wow.
I'm getting used to it. I'm less anxious about it now, so that's nice. Alright, so...
What are you having?
Sean and I are trying the soy protein burgers from, I was going to say Trader Joe's, but it's not.
Aldi?
It's Aldi. We're also having some beautiful French cuts.
Whatever's Avenue.
Oh, Sean, look at this. You're having green
It's quite a plate.
leftover pesto pasta from the other night and a spinach wrap containing the burger with fancy sauce.
You into that?
Oh, said.
Okay. Well, why don't you taste the burger for us and let us know how it
have
is.
some green beans with mine too, but let's see.
Give us a little review. Which burger is that?
This is the soy one.
Okay.
So this is kind of like the Gardein straight up burger. It's good. I like it.
Alright. Well, there you have it. Good job, Aldi.
Got the oldest vegan trick in the book. Snack time. Peanut butter and apple. You can't get any more vegan than that, right? No. What have we here? Looks like too much fun.
What video is this?
This is the one I ate today.
Okay. I'm making a little snack for myself, a little fruit bowl.
Yes.
So I have some honeydew on the bottom.
Nice. Okay, that's all right.
They removed the hair. I'm putting some strawberries as the next layer. These strawberries are like everything.
They were really good, and they were pretty reasonable.
And then on top, I'm gonna put some blueberries.
Some
It's
bloobs.
real summer in a bowl.
Bloobs, doobs, and Mel's.
This is so
Honey
nice.
do, honey don't. Nice.
Yum. Alright, looks
That's
good.
like an all-American snack. Damn, that's a big bowl of fruit.
It's smaller than the one I had yesterday.
Wow.
Remember, we were like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it.
And you
I
did. Like a champ.
Yep. It's good
All
stuff.
right.
It's filling. It's delicious. Yay, fruit.
Enjoy. I just had a preview of dinner. I'll just give you a little sneak preview of dinner.
So good.
Not like you're not going to see it in the next minute.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I moved the island the other way. I don't know which way I'm going to keep it yet. I'm just trying out my options here. It's a lot to take in. Dinner time.
Yay.
I feel so full and I hardly ate today.
I just had that fruit not that long ago.
Yeah. This broccoli is luscious.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What'd you put on it?
Just a little bit of salt and olive oil.
Nice.
I don't even think I put garlic.
Oh, it's soft broccoli. I love that.
Yeah. Velvety.
That's my fave.
So we're having the potato soup tonight with some steamed broccoli in there too, with the daya and the cashew cream and these creepy bacon pieces. Did you have bacon already today?
Yes, I did. Double bacon.
Yeah. That girl's faking it. All right. I'm probably gonna have a nice dessert.
Are you?
I think I'm gonna have some air popped popcorn later. Right?
I don't know what I'm gonna have yet.
I'm thinking about it. Maybe I want to go a little decadent. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. But enjoy
Whoa.
your potato soup.
Thanks. It's my butt. Oh.
At least it didn't roll under the island and you didn't
Yeah.
have to like get down on your hands and knees and
That would be really sad.
look for the food like I did before.
Oh.
Yeah, it's sad. Time for dessert.
Yay.
We're all having varying pieces of the complete cookie in snickerdoodle. I'm gonna have that.
This is the peanut butter chocolate blasted shrubs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have mine with some, what is this?
Almond milk. All right.
What do you have?
I
you
said
just
I'm
said.
having that with some of the shreds, but with no milk.
Okay.
All right.
I guess that's it. Can you do it? Because I have like food in my mouth.
That's what we ate today. Maybe it wasn't so exciting, but I enjoyed it. I think we had some good food today. We're gonna chow down on this now, and I don't know what we're doing. What are we watching? Some.
Watching something.
Ooh, we should watch Gillies. Let's see your Emily face. Yeah. All right,
Nailed
guys.
it.
That was Veganuary day 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Did you make it 12 whole days so far? I hope so. We're here for you. Subscribe for more Veganuary videos, and until next time, much love.